it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. Thanks for joining me today. And I am doing a beach-inspired colored pearl cell pour with negative space. I am using a 16 by 20 inch level 3 gallery wrapped canvas, and I'm using my hands-off handles that are available on Amazon. And I have painted my edges with Amsterdam Warm Gray because the pearl paints tend to be really thin. And my first color is Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. I got all of my Amsterdam paints from fluid-art.co. They are simply amazing, and I get all of my This Little Piggy pigments from them as well. So definitely go check them out. I'll have their website listed down below. And my next color is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. I kept the palette very simple and I used only 3 colors for my colored pearl cells. And here's my consistency. Now the colored pearl cells are mixed with Bare 7300, which is the untinted satin enamel available at Home Depot. And my last color, I believe it's pronounced Anthraquinone Blue by Golden. I'm sure I am pronouncing that incorrectly. And I will have the recipe listed down below of how you mix those. But you basically mix 2 parts of your satin enamel, 3 parts American Floetrol to 1 part tube paint or half part fluid paint, and then 1.5 parts of golden color gloss pouring medium. This is my pour over color. It is Modern Masters Pearl White, and the pour over color does not have any satin enamel in it. The pour over color is mixed with 50% GAC 800 and 50% Floetrol, 1 part paint and 1 part water. The 50-50 mixture, you use 5 parts of that and mix it with the 1 part paint and 1 part water. For my negative space, I have this custom color that I had from a previous botanical Dutch pour, and it's basically Amsterdam Warm Gray mixed with Amsterdam Titanium White and Amsterdam Gold. And now I am layering my colored pearl cell paints, and I'm going in kind of a wave-like pattern here because I want to create that water beachy feel. And the upper half will have my custom sand color for the negative space. So yeah, there's no like hard and fast rule of how you need to layer these, just whatever you know, you're feeling like. And when you pour these colors on top of each other, you'll get really nice what they call peacock cells. And I forgot to hit record, so when I added my pour over color, it didn't record, but that's good because I did not like this, so I scraped it off. And I will pour the rest of my paints that are left over and do this over again because I didn't like the composition or how it turned out, and I didn't stretch it out enough. You have to stretch these out to get the pearls. So here I am just going again and layering all my paints. And then I will pour over my Modern Masters Pearl White over again. And I learned this technique from my mentor and my really good friend, Tara from Pieces of Tara Artistry. She is like one of the best pearl cell artists I've ever seen. And she also does blooms and pearl cell Dutch pour combos. So definitely go check her out. And there you see my pearls are slowly starting to form. And I'm adding my custom sand color. So just be patient with this technique because the pearl cells do form. You just have to be very patient. And if you've mixed everything to the correct ratio, then you will definitely get those pearls. So as you see, while I am adding my negative space, those pearls are just popping. And here I am just using my one of my palette knives that I got from fluid-art.co, and just kind of creating that negative sand space. And I also had enough paint left over to do a smaller 12 by 12 canvas, which I will show you in a little bit. But yeah, here I am just spreading my paint out, and as you see, my pearls are just forming very nicely. I wish I did use some more colors in the blue and green family, but overall, I'm super happy with the results. And as I mentioned before, I will have all of my recipes that I used listed down below, along with some of my favorite artists that I highly recommend that y'all go and check out. And here is the wet result of my 16 by 20 inch canvas. There's that negative space right there. I'm overall pretty happy with this painting. It turned out okay. And then here is another view. As you see, those pearl cells are still popping and they will get a little bit larger. And then here is my mini canvas, my 12 by 12. And then here are the dried, non-varnished results. It turned out amazing. It dried really fast as well. And I will definitely varnish this and probably frame it. I don't know yet. But yeah, here is the 16 by 20 inch canvas. And next I will show y'all my 12 by 12. And I really appreciate y'all joining me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment box or the comment section of the video. And thanks for joining me, guys. Stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome, guys. Until next time, bye.